Morning, children. Today, let's learn Chapter 9 Eminent Men and Women in your GK textbook. So, the question is this: name these famous people with the help of the clues given. So, first one, known as the Metro Man, he is the brain behind the Delhi Metro. Answer is E. Sridharan. Second question, pioneer of many techniques in the suspense and psychological thriller genres, he is one of the best known filmmakers of all times. Answer, Alfred Hitchcock. Question number 3, one of the most famous heroes of Kung Fu movies, he died at the young age of 32. Answer, Bruce Lee. Fourth one, she is the first Carnatic vocalist to receive the Bharat Ratna. Answer, M.S. Subbulakshmi. Fifth one, he was a founding member of the Communist Party of India. Answer, M.N. Roy. Sixth one, he was the first Indian to swim across the English Channel in 1958. Answer, Mihir Sen. Question number 7, popularly known as the Waterman of India, this water conservationist and environmentalist is active in water management in the dry areas of Rajasthan and many other states. Answer, Rajendra Singh. Question number 8, he was a great Indian dancer and an artist of international fame. He founded a dance school at Almora. Answer, Uday Shankar. Question number 9, he is the son of a Mumbai violinist. He has been the chief conductor of the Los Angeles Symphony and Montreal Symphony Orchestra. Answer, Subin Mehta. Question number 10, a great advocate of non-violence and human rights, he is best known for leading the Bhudan movement, a popular land reform movement in post-independence India. Answer, Vinoba Bhave. Question number 11, he was a great engineer from Mysore who built a dam on the river Kaveri. He won the Bharat Ratna in 1955. Answer, M. Visvesvaraya. Next one, 12th one, he was the great Indian leader who escaped from jail and went abroad to organize a military force to fight the British in India. Answer, Subhash Chandra Bose. Question number 13, he was the first Indian who sacrificed his life by going on a fast to protest against the treatment given to Indian freedom fighters in British jails. Answer, Jatin Das. Question number 14, she was the founder of the Home Rule League in India. Answer, Annie Besant. 15, he was a renowned singer from Assam who received the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilian award in 2019. Answer, Bhupen Hazarika. Question number 16, he was a great social worker and the founder of Brahma Samaj. Answer, Rajaram Mohan Roy. Question number 17, he was the chairman of the drafting committee of the Indian Constitution and championed the cause of the untouchables in India. He was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1990. Answer, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Question number 18, she was the only female minister in the first Union Cabinet of post-independence India. As the country's first Union Health Minister, she started many reforms in the healthcare sector. Answer, Rajkumari Amrit Kaur. Question number 19, he founded the Swatantrata Party and was the governor of West Bengal. He was the only Indian Governor General of India. Answer, C. Rajagopalachari. Question number 20. He was the Chief Minister of West Bengal and the longest serving Chief Minister of an Indian state. Answer: Jyoti Basu. Question number 21. She is a social activist and one of the founders of the Mazdoor Kisan Shakti Sangadan or MKSS. She played an instrumental role in the passage of the Right to Information Act in 2005. Answer: Aruna Roy. Question number 22. He is a journalist who was awarded the 2019 Raman Magsaysay Award for harnessing journalism to give voice to the voiceless. Answer: Ravish Kumar. Question number 23. She was the first woman president of the United Nations General Assembly. Answer: Vijayalakshmi Pandit. And question number 24, and that's the last question. He is regarded as the father of the White Revolution in India. Because of him, dairy farming became one of the India's largest rural employment providers. Answer: Varghese Kurian. So write all these answers in your textbook and also study well.